Hey, ScoopBuddy fam. In today's world, having multiple streams of income is key for entrepreneurs looking to grow their wealth. In this video, we'll cover the best passive income ideas for 2024 to help you build wealth while focusing on your business. Let's jump in. 1. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the best passive income sources in 2024. Create valuable content that aligns with your niche, tutorials, reviews, or vlogs. Once you grow your subscriber base, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. After you've created the content, it continues to generate revenue for years without requiring much additional effort. 2. Build an online course. If you have specialized knowledge, consider creating an online course. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to sell courses. Once the course is built, it generates ongoing income with minimal updates. This is a fantastic way to monetize your expertise and reach a global audience while offering value to people who want to learn from your skills. 3. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul allow entrepreneurs to invest in commercial properties without having to manage them. You pool funds with other investors and earn passive income through rental payments or property appreciation, making it a great hands-off way to invest in real estate. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing remains a popular passive income source. By promoting products on your blog or social media, you earn commissions when people make purchases through your affiliate links. Platforms like Amazon Associates or ShareSell are good places to start. Align the products with your niche to keep recommendations genuine and effective. 5. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a smart long-term passive income strategy. Unlike growth stocks, dividends provide regular payments that you can either reinvest or use as cash flow. Building a diversified portfolio on platforms like Vanguard or Robinhood will allow you to earn steady income without constant monitoring. 6. Publish an ebook. Writing and publishing an ebook is another great passive income opportunity. Entrepreneurs can share their knowledge or insights by selling ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle. Once the book is published, it can generate income for years with minimal maintenance. 7. Create and sell digital products. If you have skills in design, coding, or writing, you can create digital products like templates, software tools, or printables and sell them online. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website make it easy to sell these items. Once created, digital products require no physical inventory, and you can sell them endlessly, creating a highly scalable passive income stream. 8. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses and earn interest on your investment. It's a passive way to earn income while supporting entrepreneurs or small businesses. You can start with small amounts and gradually scale up as you gain confidence in the process. These are just a few of the best passive income ideas for entrepreneurs in 2024. Whether you start a YouTube channel, invest in real estate, or write an ebook, passive income can help you diversify and secure your financial future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Good luck with your entrepreneurial journey.